It's a tracking number for Purelator. It's like a generator config. This combo is just need to generate and get the Purelator tracking numbers. This is the output. As you can see, there are 1193 tracking numbers. We're gonna use this for checking its validity to see whether it's working or not in this config. Let's just stop this, and we're going to use the file list. Put it here and start. As you can see, there are now hits. Valid tracking number. Yes, it's a valid tracking number. Now, on the third config, we're gonna use this to see the details of the correlator. This one. Yes, we're gonna put this tracking number here and click start. As you can see,